Here's your downsizing pro tip of the day. I always keep a plastic bag in my coat closet. I keep it there for donations. Once that bag's full, I just put it in my car, and then the next time I'm by someplace, the donations are already in my car, I just stop and drop them off. Makes donating things easy, and I don't ever get bogged down with a bunch of stuff I don't need or don't want. Just because you go somewhere and somebody gives you a water bottle or a coffee cup doesn't mean you have to bring it home and put it in your cupboard. You can't imagine when I clean people's houses out or help someone downsize how much of this crap they've got in their kitchen cabinets because they thought they were given it, they should go home and put it in their cupboard. If it's not something you're going to use or something you want, put it in the donation bag. Don't clog up your cabinets with stuff that somebody else gave you, especially if it's not something you're going to use. Stop holding on to all the books that you read, or worse yet, getting books that you don't read at all. So once you've read a book, if it's a novel, donate it, give it to a friend, but don't hang on to it. If it's a reference book or something that you're going to look at again or read again, then absolutely put it on the bookshelf and hold on to it. But stop holding on to all these books. I cleaned out a property one time and I took 89 boxes of books out of that property to donate. And I can tell you that most of them were never opened. So if you want to reduce clutter in your home, stop holding on to all your books. We tend to wear 20% of our clothes 80% of the time, which means there's a lot of clothes we're not wearing. So how do you figure out what you're not wearing? Well, first of all, in my closet, like I live in jeans. So I pretty much keep my cool weather tops together, my warm weather tops together, and my dress clothes are on the other side of the closet. So when I do my laundry, like if it's warm weather, okay, when I do my laundry, anything that I put in fresh, clean from the laundry, I put here in the back side. But when I go to get dressed, I start by picking things here so that I'm working my way through my clothes. Now, if I keep pulling something out and I go, yeah, no, I'm not wearing that, and putting it back repeatedly, then it's time for me to pull it out and go, well, why do I keep skipping this? Is it the color I don't like? Is it the fit? Am I just tired of it? And it's time to put it in the donation bag. So if you do that, you rotate through your clothes, you'll get to see what you're not wearing all the time. It's also a good idea to get into the habit if you buy something new, take something out of your closet. Then you don't end up with way more stuff than what you actually need.